subscribe. I'm gonna make slime. You need glue stick and food coloring. I have green, I have yellow, pink, blue, and I have red. I'm going to use red because red is my favorite color. You need a knife and you need a ball. And you see, it's glue inside. You open the glue stick, you just pull it out. Cut it. Auntie's going to help me to cut it because I don't cut myself. It's all done. The glue is in a bowl. Cold water or warm water. Next, we are going to put it in a microwave for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Start. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's all done. It's all done. You just put a drop of food coloring and use this as your measuring. It's turning to pink. And after red, can we do all of the colors? Slime. Is this good? Slime. It's slimy and colored. It's so slimy, you can play with it with whatever you want. Look at my hands, they are slimy. Slime. It's like you're washing your hands. Wash. Guess what prank I'm going to do with this? Damn it!
No, don't get it. I know you're trying to do a prank on me. It's not a prank.
Pranking Delvinfeld. I'm just going to play with my slime. It's so slimy and sticky. And this stick and stick. Let's make it little. Wow. This is sticky and cool. We. Oh, you can make a pink right with Delvin. And then he said, it's more watery. I think I put too much water, but it's nice to play with it or pink. Until I need this. Next I'm going to do a Colgate. Next line I'm going to make is Colgate. Open it and squeeze in the bowl. That's enough. The next thing to do is to put food coloring. I choose pink. Mix. It's a panda Colgate. It's getting sticky, right? And hard, right? It's getting sticky and hard. You keep stirring for a few minutes. Stir. Now you put a little bit of sugar and then keep stirring again. Let's get slimy and sugary. Slime. My hand is now sticky, but I'll keep still stirring. Slime. Now you do whatever you want to do with it. And it's dry. It's going to dry now. You have to mix for a lot of time. Mix. And you are not eating that. You see? Then you can play with it. This is sticky. My hand is all messed up. Bye! I hope you enjoyed the video.